Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today's topic of discussion will be drug calculation. Let's start with the basics of drug calculation. First is conversion. Conversion means to convert from one unit to another unit. So whenever you are converting from bigger to smaller unit, you should always multiply by 1000. And whenever you are converting from smaller to bigger unit, you should always divide by 1000. For example, like bigger to smaller unit is kilogram, then gram, milligram, microgram and nanogram. Then smaller to bigger unit is nanogram, then microgram, milligram, gram and kilogram. Then volume is liter to milliliter. You should always multiply by 1000, and whenever you are converting from milliliter to liter, you should divide by 1000. Then is time. So if you have to convert from hours to minute, then you should always multiply by 60, and whenever you are converting from minutes to hours, then divide by 60. So these are the basic conversion. So if you know the basic conversion, then easily you can do the drug calculation. Drugs can be dangerous to even when they are meant to improve our health. Taking them correctly and understanding the right way to administer them can reduce the risk. So there are several different ways drugs can be administered. You are probably familiar with tablet, injections, capsule, IV fluids, etc. But medications can be given in many other ways as well. We will be discussing about tablet calculation, how to calculate tablet. So formula for tablet calculation is D by H into Q. What does D mean? D means desired dose, H is dose in hand, or you can say the dose which is available in your stock or in your hospital's pharmacy, and Q is quantity. Let's take an example. The doctor has prescribed digoxin tablet 0.25 mg and the available dose is tablet digoxin 0.125 mg. How many tablets would you administer? So the formula for for tablet calculation is D by H into Q. So here the desired dose is 0.25 mg and H is available dose is 0.125 mg. So 0.25 mg divided by 0.125 mg into 1 is equal to 2 tablets. So we will administer 2 tablets to the patient. So by using this formula, you can calculate the doses for tablets.